don't really feel all that great, so, only word of the day, and you get one fun color. There's your dose of the fun color. Today's word is a word that my brother recommended. Firkin. So a firkin is a unit of volume for liquid measurements that's about 1/4 the size of a standard barrel. And yes, there are standard barrels. So that's about 9 imperial gallons or 10.8 US gallons. It's a liquid measurement, as I said earlier. It has Middle English origins from the word "vertiken," and that came from the Middle Dutch word, I'm gonna butcher this, "verda," which means fourth, and it originated in the late 14th century. So yeah, firkin. My brother submitted that.